The Tunguska Event, the mystery of the Siberian explosion. On the morning of June the 30th, 1908, a remote and desolate region of Siberia near the Tunguska River became the site of one of the most perplexing and powerful natural events in recorded history. Known as the Tunguska Event, this massive explosion flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest, an area larger than cities like Los Angeles or London, leaving scientists, historians, and adventurers baffled for over a century. A sudden flash in the sky, witnesses of the event, mostly reindeer herders and indigenous Evenki people, described a fireball streaking across the morning sky. The object moved with incredible speed, leaving behind a brilliant trail of light, brighter than the sun. Moments later, a deafening explosion rocked the earth, sending shock waves felt hundreds of kilometers away. Trees were scorched and blown over in a radial pattern, yet remarkably, there was no impact crater. The shock wave from the blast was so powerful that it knocked people off their feet, shattered windows, and caused a tremor that was recorded by seismographs as far away as Europe and Asia. Despite the devastation, reports of human casualties were surprisingly few, likely because the area was sparsely populated. The scientific dilemma. It wasn't until 1927, nearly 2 decades after the event, that a proper scientific expedition was sent to investigate. Russian mineralogist Leonid Kulik, leading the first research team, believed the explosion was caused by a meteorite impact. However, upon arriving at the site, Kulik and his team found no evidence of a crater, which would normally be expected from a meteor strike of such magnitude. Instead, they were met with a vast, eerie landscape where millions of trees had been flattened, all radiating outward from a central point. Yet at ground zero, the team found something unusual. The trees directly beneath the explosion remained standing, stripped of their branches but still upright. This peculiar phenomenon added to the growing mystery, theories and speculations. Without a crater, scientists had to rethink their explanation. Over the years, numerous theories emerged to explain what could have caused such a powerful explosion. Meteorite or comet airburst. The most widely accepted theory is that a meteorite or fragment of a comet exploded in the atmosphere around 5 to 10 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The object, estimated to be between 50 and 60 meters in diameter, would have disintegrated upon entry due to the immense pressure and heat, creating what is known as an airburst. The explosion, equivalent to about 10 to 15 megatons of TNT, roughly 1,000 times the power of the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, could explain the massive shock wave and tree pattern without leaving a crater. Comet theory. Some scientists suggest that a fragment of a comet, made mostly of ice and gas, caused the explosion. This would explain why no solid fragments or craters were found, as the icy body would have vaporized completely before reaching the ground. The release of energy from such a vaporizing object would create a blast capable of flattening the forest below. Natural gas explosion. Another hypothesis is that the explosion could have been caused by a natural gas eruption from within the Earth. The Siberian region is known for its natural gas reserves, and a massive buildup of gas could have ignited, causing a powerful explosion. However, this theory lacks solid evidence and remains less popular among scientists. Exotic theories. More imaginative explanations include the possibility of a black hole or even an alien spacecraft crashing into Earth. These ideas have fueled speculation and conspiracy theories over the years, though no substantial evidence supports them. The impact on science and culture. The Tunguska event has had a lasting impact on scientific inquiry, sparking decades of debate and research. It became a precursor to modern studies of asteroid impacts and the potential threats they pose to our planet. Today, the event serves as a chilling reminder of the destructive forces lurking in the cosmos, and scientists closely monitor near-Earth objects to predict and, if necessary, deflect any that may pose a danger to humanity. Culturally, the event has seeped into literature, science fiction, and folklore. From Russian tales of divine punishment to modern conspiracy theories about alien intervention, Tunguska continues to fascinate and mystify. It has even inspired movies, books, and video games, cementing its place as one of the most enigmatic events of the 20th century. The legacy of Tunguska. More than a century later, the Tunguska Event remains a mystery, but it has also served as a catalyst for understanding the dangers posed by objects from space. In 2013, the Chelyabinsk meteor explosion over Russia, which injured over 1,500 people, was a reminder of the catastrophic potential of near-Earth objects. The Chelyabinsk explosion, though much smaller, helped validate the airburst theory for Tunguska and underscored the importance of monitoring the skies for future impacts. Today, the Tunguska site in Siberia has become a destination for scientific expeditions and adventurers alike. Visitors are drawn to the eerie, flattened landscape that nature has slowly begun to reclaim, but the haunting stories of that fateful day in 1908 still linger. The Tunguska Event stands as one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in modern history, a powerful explosion from the heavens that left no trace of what caused it, yet forever changed the landscape of science and imagination.